In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit timesheets in HubStaff. Start by logging in to your HubStaff account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Timesheets section. In the main menu, look for the option labeled Approvals. This is the area where you can view all open timesheets that are awaiting your action. By entering this section, you gain a clear overview of your pending tasks related to timesheet submissions. Next, locate the correct pay period for which you need to submit your timesheet. Open the Approvals tab, and you will see a list of open timesheets under the Open tab. It is important to carefully check the dates to ensure you are selecting the appropriate pay period. This step guarantees that the hours you submit correspond accurately to the right time frame, which helps streamline the payroll process and avoids any errors. To submit an individual timesheet, find the timesheet you want to submit. Next to it, there is an Actions button. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Submit. This action signals to the system that your timesheet is ready for review and approval. Submitting your timesheet in this way ensures it is properly registered for the next steps in the workflow. After clicking Submit, a notification will appear on your screen confirming that your timesheet has been successfully submitted. This notification provides assurance that the submission process has been completed and that your report has entered the review stage. You can now rest easy knowing that your hours have been recorded and are awaiting approval. By following these steps, you can efficiently submit your timesheets using HubStaff. This process is designed to save time, reduce errors, and make sure all your work hours are accurately accounted for. With proper submission, your timesheets can be approved promptly, allowing payroll and reporting to proceed smoothly. If you have any questions or require further assistance, consider exploring other HubStaff resources or reaching out to your manager. Submitting your timesheets correctly ensures that your work is properly documented and that you maintain accurate records. Mastering this process helps you stay organized and confident in managing your time within HubStaff. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.